Okay, guys, it is the time for $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question at all, kindly drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay. So these are the assets that we'll be checking out one after the other. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with gain X 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. So I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend neo card trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, so these have been on trend for a very long time. Just we have seen it right from here. It's steady uptrend and it has been going up and up and up. Okay, so at the moment it has gotten to this resistance zone and trying to pull back right now. Okay, so this is still going to buy more. Done with the pullback, because if you should check 1 hour time frame, we're going to see that we still have more space for it to milk around here. So which means if it breaks out above here, sorry, if it breaks out above the current resistance zone, then definitely it's still going to buy more. Okay, but if it does not, then definitely it will go fully on downtrend. So we should take note of that, most especially once it actually breaks out from here. Okay, so we should expect more selling opportunity right from there. Okay, so but if it does not, it will go back up and try to break out from here. So we should watch out for this particular trend. Okay, so I still expect it to buy more, except if it breaks out from here, that is when it's going to sell. So for now it is still pulling back, and which means it is selling. It might not be for long, most especially if it's unable to break out from there. So it will continue with the buy trend right from there. So the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. This had been on uptrend for a while. Okay, but after getting to this resistance zone, it has not been able to break out from there, so it's trying to go back on downtrend right now. So this is selling right now. This is actually my entry point, stop loss, and of course these are highlighted TPs which we can easily achieve. So this is selling at the moment, so we should take note of that. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. This had been on a very strong downtrend right from here. Remember, we picked up this signal 2 days ago, and of course it has been selling since then, and it is still selling right now. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, except if it's unable to break out from the next support zone. That is when it's going to buy. So this is Paynex 999, and it had been on uptrend. It has gotten to this region. It has not been able to break out above it, so it is having a pullback, and of course it will continue with the trend, most especially once it breaks out above this. So we expect more buying opportunity on this particular asset. Okay, so this is very, very important. The next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80, and this actually broke out from this resistance zone. It broke out from there. Okay, it broke out from this resistance zone to give us more buying opportunity. So this is still buying at the moment, and it's still going to buy more. Okay, so we should take note of that and take advantage of the opportunity given to us right there. Okay, so these are some of the things that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you can try them out on your real account. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.